The Lamborghini Temerario is one of the most exhilarating machines to come out of the Lamborghini factory, a true representation of everything the brand stands for: power, performance, and precision. And today we're diving deep into what makes this car so special. But before we get started, let's talk about the price. If you're in the US, the Lamborghini Temerario will set you back around $300,000, depending on the customization options you choose. Now let's get into the heart of this beast. The Temerario is powered by a 5.2-liter V10 engine that produces a staggering 630 horsepower and 442 lb-ft of torque. This engine, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, allows the Temerario to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. That's faster than most supercars, and it's all thanks to its lightweight carbon fiber body and high-performance engineering. When it comes to handling, the Temerario doesn't disappoint. Its all-wheel drive system, combined with dynamic steering, ensures exceptional cornering capabilities. Whether you're hitting tight turns on winding roads or pushing the car to its limits on the track, the Temerario offers an unmatched level of control. It's not just a car, it's a track-ready machine that anyone can take to the streets and feel like a professional driver. The design is what truly sets this Lamborghini apart. The sleek, aerodynamic lines and aggressive front-end scream speed and power. Every inch of the car is designed with one thing in mind: to make you feel like you're driving a race car. The signature Lamborghini Y-shaped LED headlights and the signature rear spoiler add an unmistakable presence on the road, ensuring that no one will miss you when you're behind the wheel. Inside, the Lamborghini Temerario continues to impress. The cockpit is nothing short of luxurious, featuring leather-trimmed seats, a state-of-the-art infotainment system, and carbon fiber accents throughout. The driving position is low and comfortable, giving you the perfect view of the road ahead, while the high-tech dashboard keeps you in complete control. It's a cabin that's as thrilling as the drive itself. But it's not just about speed and design. The Lamborghini Temerario is also equipped with advanced safety features. Carbon ceramic brakes, stability control, and an active suspension system all work together to keep you safe while you're pushing the limits. Despite its ferocity, the Temerario never feels unstable or unpredictable. Now let's talk about the driving experience. There's nothing quite like the roar of the V10 as you push the pedal to the metal. The acceleration is brutal, throwing you back in your seat with each gear change. It's loud, it's fast, and it's downright addictive. Every moment behind the wheel is an experience you won't forget. In conclusion, the Lamborghini Temerario is more than just a supercar. It's a statement of what's possible when performance, design, and engineering come together. Whether you're looking to make an impression on the road or just experience a car that can do it all, the Temerario stands out as one of the best in its class. With a price tag of $300,000, it's definitely a car for those who crave the ultimate driving experience.